Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to convert XYZ from a DEM in Global Mapper. Now I have a digital elevation model. This is a 120 meter in length, because I take an offset 60 meter offset. So this is together from here to here is 120 along a route, a proposed route where they are planning to construct a road. So we want to look at how to convert this into a point. All right. So I'm just going to click on this. This is a DEM. Make sure this is selected and you go to File, and then from File you go down to Export. From Export you will go up and you see Elevation Grid Format. So you click on it. Now once you click on it, you have LiDAR file, you have LiDAR LAS, then Maker, all of that. So you go down and look for XYZ grid. So you click on OK. Now when you click on OK, because I have already clipped it to this format, so there's no need for me to do other things. So I'm going to make a new video to clarify what if I have a full digital elevation model of a larger portion and I just want it to be to a specific place. So I'm going to do that as a next video. So for now, once you've come to this option, you leave it under comma and you will come down. You leave about that thing the way they are, and then you just click on OK. So this will take you to where you will save the file name. So I'm just going to save it as XYZ, and I'm going to select the folder. Okay, I'll leave it here, and then I'll click on Save. So once I click on Save, it's going to export. Now it is done exporting. So let's go and look at it where it is in the system. So I'm going to go to Output. Output, and then ECW. Okay, new folder, ECW. So we have it as XYZ 263 kilobytes. So let's open it and see. So it's going to come as a notepad data. You see your X, your Y, and your Z. So as it is now on notepad, it is compactable to take it to either AutoCAD or Civil 3D directly from here without having to do anything. Now I have made a video on how you can convert what you have as XYZ from notepad to Excel if you're going to use it on ArcGIS or any of the GIS software. So you can do well to watch that video. I'm going to put it up on this video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. For now, it's Shamaki, and bye-bye.